Volkswagen Atlas owners have been vocal for years, and this time, the German automaker is actually listening. If your list of must-haves includes 3 rows, a premium feel, and a price that doesn't require a second mortgage, the 2027 Atlas is about to check every single box. The all-new second-generation 2027 Volkswagen Atlas is here, solving owner complaints one by one. And here is what you need to know. All-new exterior design. The previous Atlas was a dependable family hauler, but it was never going to win any design awards. That changes with this new generation. The 2027 model is getting a complete sheet metal overhaul, and the result is a significantly bolder, more muscular SUV. The boxy proportions that families love are staying intact, but now they're wrapped in a design with far more visual conviction. Up-front double-stacked LED headlights are spanning the full width of the fascia, a clean, contemporary signature that sets the 2027 Atlas apart right away. An illuminated VW logo is going to be standard on all but the entry-level trim. The rear end is getting the exact same treatment, with full-width LED taillights and a matching red-lit VW emblem tying the whole look together. That kind of front-to-rear design continuity signals a level of intentionality the old models simply didn't have. Dimensionally, the new Atlas is going to be about an inch longer than its predecessor. A modest gain, but one that could free up useful space inside. Wheel sizes are scaling up too, with 18-inch alloys on the base model and 20 or 21-inch wheels appearing on higher trims. New exterior colors are also arriving with this generation. Blackberry, Sacramento green, and sandstone give buyers some fresh alternatives to the typical silver-white-gray rotation. And for anyone who has ever stood in a parking lot with their hands full of groceries, wishing they didn't have to set something down just to open the tailgate, a power tailgate is going to be standard across every trim level. No extra charge, no higher trim required. The outside story is strong, but the real surprise with this redesign is what's happening on the inside, and that's where things get genuinely interesting. Redesigned cabin. This is where the most significant complaints are getting answered. The previous generation's cabin was functional, but it consistently felt a step behind what buyers expected at this price point. The 2027 Atlas is bringing something substantially different. There is a particular kind of disappointment that comes from spending over $40,000 on a vehicle and then sitting in a cabin that feels like it belongs in something half that price. That's the problem the 2027 Atlas is directly solving with its new upholstery and materials lineup. Base models are getting leatherette, while upper grades are moving to Verena and Napa leather. A genuine quality jump that makes the cabin feel like it belongs in a vehicle costing considerably more. Passenger space is well handled across all 3 rows. The front row is generous, with a 12-way adjustable driver's seat and 4-way lumbar support standard. Massaging front seats are going to be available as an option. In the second row, reclining seats, dedicated climate control vents, and rear sunshades are all going to come standard. A thoughtful package for families with kids. Those who prefer a more open second-row layout can opt for available captain's chairs instead of the standard bench. The third row is going to accommodate 2 adults, with charging ports and cup holders back there to make the experience less of a compromise than it tends to be in competing 3-row SUVs. A cabin this good deserves a technology package to match, and what VW is putting behind that dashboard is worth talking about on its own. New tech. The technology lineup on the 2027 Atlas sends a clear message. VW has been paying close attention to what the competition is doing. Every model is going to launch with a 10.25-inch Digital Cockpit Pro instrument cluster as standard equipment. On the infotainment side, base trims are getting a 12.9-inch touchscreen, while upper grades are stepping up to a 15-inch display, one of the larger screens available at this price level. Anyone who has tried to adjust the temperature or change a drive mode while navigating through 3 layers of touchscreen menus knows exactly how frustrating that gets on a long drive. That is precisely what the new driver experience style is designed to eliminate. It's a physical control for managing volume, drive modes, and ambient settings. Right there on the console, no menu diving required. It's one of those small changes that makes a real difference every single day behind the wheel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are going to be standard as well, and USB-C ports are being placed throughout the cabin. Dual wireless smartphone charging pads are going to be available as an option. For audio, a 9-speaker stereo comes standard, and the top-spec SEL Premium trim is getting a 14-speaker Harman Kardon setup. Voice control is also going to be part of the standard package across the lineup. The tech upgrades are real, but none of them matter much if what's under the hood can't deliver. So let's talk about what the 2027 Atlas is bringing to the powertrain conversation. Powertrain. Under the hood, the 2027 Atlas is getting the latest iteration of VW's familiar 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, the EA888 Evo 5. This updated engine is going to produce 282 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, a 13 horsepower increase over what the outgoing model offered. An 8-speed automatic transmission is handling gear changes, keeping power delivery smooth and consistent throughout the range. For buyers in the northern half of the country, where winter roads can turn a family drive into an exercise in white-knuckle tension, drivetrain flexibility matters as much as anything else on the spec sheet. That's why it's worth noting that all-wheel drive is going to be available across every single trim level, not just the upper half of the lineup. Front-wheel drive remains standard, but the all-wheel drive option is accessible no matter where a buyer enters the lineup. Maximum towing capacity is holding at 5,000 pounds on properly equipped models, which covers most travel trailers and utility hauls without issue. One thing worth addressing openly, a hybrid variant is on the way, but it is not going to be part of the initial launch. Volkswagen has confirmed it is coming at the mid-cycle refresh point, which is a few years out. Until then, the 282 horsepower Turbo 4 is the engine powering the entire 2027 Atlas lineup. And based on how the previous version of this engine performed, buyers are going to find it more than adequate for daily driving and highway cruising alike. More power is always welcome, but a family SUV also needs to keep everyone inside it safe. And that's exactly where VW is making moves that deserve serious attention. Safety. As one of Volkswagen's most important nameplates in North America, the Atlas is arriving with a strong standard safety package that doesn't hold anything back for budget reasons. The IQ Drive Driver Assistance Suite is going to be standard across all trim levels. One of the more frustrating patterns in the SUV segment is seeing essential safety technology locked behind upper trim levels, as if keeping your family safe should be a premium upgrade. The 2027 Atlas is not playing that game. Automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist are going to be included on every single model in the lineup. Front and rear parking sensors are also going to be standard, still a paid upgrade on several competing vehicles. A new front center airbag is being added as well, providing improved protection between front seat occupants in certain collision types. For those who want the most advanced setup available, adaptive cruise control with a lane centering function is going to be offered as an option on select trims. The safety credentials are solid across the board, and as it turns out, so is the pricing, which is the final piece of the puzzle, and arguably the one that makes everything else fall into place. Release date and price. The 2027 Volkswagen Atlas is going to reach dealerships later this fall, giving buyers a clear window to plan ahead. Pricing is about to start at approximately $40,000 for the base S trim, right at the entry point for the competitive 3-row segment. The SE trim is projecting to around $45,000, the SEL at approximately $50,000, and the fully loaded SEL Premium is going to land near $55,000. That $15,000 spread across the lineup gives buyers real flexibility to find the right configuration without overpaying for features they don't need. The ownership package is going to include 4-year 50,000-mile coverage for both the limited and powertrain warranty, paired with 2 years or 20,000 miles of complimentary scheduled maintenance, a detail that lowers the real cost of ownership meaningfully beyond what the sticker price suggests. From the outside in, the 2027 Volkswagen Atlas is a genuinely different vehicle compared to what came before it. Bolder where the old model was bland, premium where it once felt ordinary, and smarter where it used to fall short. A stronger engine, a cabin built with real materials, technology that respects the driver's time, safety systems available to every buyer regardless of budget, and a pricing structure that keeps the whole package within reach. This is what a proper second generation is supposed to look like. Whether a buyer is cross-shopping the Kia Telluride, the Toyota Grand Highlander, or the Hyundai Palisade, the 2027 Atlas is going to be a vehicle that earns its place in that conversation rather than just showing up to it. Speaking of rivals, the aforementioned Kia Telluride is also coming completely redesigned for the next year. Known as the ultimate value in the segment, the next generation Telluride is bringing even more luxury, more passenger space, and a couple of brand new powertrain options.